Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed in Windows 11. Open your device manager, click the search icon, then search device manager and open it. Next, expand the universal serial bus controllers. If the first driver doesn't work, then try one by one. After that, right-click on the controller, then choose Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall again to confirm. After doing all of that, restart your computer. Open your device manager again and expand the universal serial bus controllers and check if there will be a USB device that shows a notification device descriptor request failed. Then simply uninstall that device. Restart your computer again and see if it will fix the issue. If still not, then do this method. Click the search icon below and search for Edit Power Plan. Now go back to the power options. Then click the Choose What the Power button do. Next, click the Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Then uncheck the button beside the Fast Startup and click the Save Changes below. After doing that, go to Edit Plan Settings again. Then select Change Advanced Power Settings. In the pop-up window, double-click on the USB. Then once again, double-click it. Change settings to disabled and then click apply below, then OK. Now restart your computer and it should be able to fix the problem.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.